The Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021 continues with day 11. So as you can see, we have some overcast skies here today. We'll see if we get rain. It is cool, so the picking's nice in that regard. We've still got plenty of nuts here to pick. We're at Nut Haven today. We've moved from Hazel Acres to Nut Haven. We've got a lot of plants that are just really ripening and exploding, so we're trying to keep on top of it. I've got my tape here, ready to mark some bushes for the pickers, so let's get at it. What makes for good picking? Cool temperatures and the radio. Oh, there he is. There's the big boy, the ram. What's your problem? You're a little cold?
How cool is that? That, ladies and gentlemen, would be a bumblebee taking a nap curled up underneath the leaf of this hazelnut bush. Man, you can't see it. Okay, I'm going to try to... There it is. That is a bumblebee just hanging out under a leaf next to a nut cluster and the hazelnuts here. How cool is that?
Nature's lawnmowers. These sheep are waiting anxiously for me to open the gate so they can gain access to some fresh grass. They can make pretty quick work of a new paddock, grazing it down to almost nothing in a matter of days. Now, sheep certainly prefer grass to hazelnuts, but don't be fooled. If you allow them to roam freely in the hazelnuts, they will most certainly munch on hazelnut leaves and can do significant damage if not monitored closely. The bumblebees are out in full force today. It's slightly overcast with partly cloudy skies, but they are very active. We saw that bumblebee tucked up under the hazelnut leaf this morning, taking cover from the drizzle, and now they have emerged looking for pollen. And that's gonna do it. The end of day 11 of the Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021.